It can be tall, taller, or the tallest. It can be small, smaller, or the smallest. It can be big, bigger, or the biggest. You can be happy, happier, or the happiest. It can be heavy, heavier, or the heaviest. It can be smelly, smellier, or the smelliest. Oh, those adjectives before the noun is usually where they're found. Giving us the lowdown on the noun. It can be glamorous, more glamorous than the most glamorous. You can be generous, more generous than the most generous. It can be delicious, more delicious than the most delicious. Oh, those adjectives before the noun is usually where they're found. Giving us the lowdown on the noun. Giving us the lowdown on the noun. Giving us the lowdown on the noun. It can be big, bigger, or the biggest. You can be happy, happier, or the happiest. You can be comfortable, more comfortable than the most comfortable. With your adjective and your comparative